Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're gonna continue. Yes, today we're gonna continue our requirement analysis for the course Magdeburg University, Electrical Engineering or Embedded System. That's the course that we're gonna do requirement analysis today. Today I just wanted to also make it like short and sweet. So that's the reason I have chose requirement analysis, because in the last few videos we were busy with applying for so many colleges. In 2-3 colleges we applied, FAU for 2 courses and University of Siegen 2. So today I will also make a video for this particular requirement analysis. In the future videos I will also make electrical engineering of University Siegen and other things application videos, because so many application videos are pending, but I will make some time and also parallelly make a university application videos. But today, in order to keep it short, I just wanted to make a video on requirement analysis of Magdeburg University for the course Electrical Engineering, I guess. Before get started, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. And also please share this video with the people who are in need, so that they can also look into our videos, check for our requirement analysis detailed one, and also check for our application videos, how to apply detailedly, and also they can apply. So these are the things that I usually focus on, and I have also getting good feedbacks from people who are already seeing our videos and applying from themselves, and also getting some of the admissions also. Those are the positive signs, so that's good. So we'll get started today's video. If you know our search criteria, we always search for full-time on-site courses, less than 50% online. That's because University of Stuttgart also comes under here. That's the reason I have selected this, less than 50% online. Then we are only applying for master degrees and completely taught in English. In completely taught in English, the bilingual courses will also come. For an example would be University of Duisburg Essen, where we did a bilingual course. So these are the courses that we're going to continue, and the 5,000 euros per semester we have chosen, because in 5,000 euro per semester there will be University of Stuttgart and other things which are 4 or 5, which will cost around 1,500 euros, because Baden-Württemberg is having a fees of 1,500 every per semester. That are the reasons that we have a search criteria of 94, and we are selected only electrical engineering as of now. Requirement analysis for electrical engineering and information technology of University of Magdeburg. This is the requirement analysis that we're gonna do, and this is the page. Once we click on the course in the DAR website that we usually go through, and this is what straightforward page that we usually oblige for. So here we will go for OVGU University Magdeburg for the course Electrical Engineering and Information Technology. So this degree is considered as Master of Science in Electrical Engineering and the Magdeburg, where you will be studying, and the course technical language is completely in English. And if you can see, if it is Master of Science, then it will be for sure 4 semester. Then the course language is completely taught in only in English, but you can also do some German language courses which will be parallelly running on the same course in German side. You can also, if some of the courses that you like which is not in English, if it is in German, then please take it, study, but don't give the exam, but you just study the course if it is fascinating for you. Then it is a full-time course. Then the program duration, as I told, it is 4 semester, because Master of Science usually would be 4 semester. Then beginning of the courses would be only in winter semester. So please check on this requirement analysis for most of the colleges, because some people are also asking like Ravensburg, OTH Ravensburg or other things. Ravensburg University course is not listing now. So usually check into the requirement analysis and check for the application deadline too. If if the course is both in summer and winter semester, that is one thing. And also when is the winter semester deadline. That's the reason maybe your guys are not seeing it, but I will also take some moment and check for that particular course which you guys cannot find. These are the things that they have issued. So this means they will be having your physical classes, but all the physical classes will be recorded and put into your student recording sessions, where you can also look into recordings when you're preparing for your exam and other things. So application deadline would be 15 July international applicants. So we have so much of time, because it is till 15 July for international applicants, which are us, which are non-you. Then tuition fees is none, and combined master degree is also no, joint degree program is also no. Then description and content would be, we go for course details, so we will get a more detail about course. So here they are considering first semester you will do a compulsory course offer depending on the fundamental of electrical engineering information technology. So in the first semester you will do all the core subjects which are compulsory courses, which will be dealing with the fundamentals of electrical engineering and information technology. Here you will be studying like advanced mathematics for signal information processing and other things. That's the reason they have made it as a compulsory courses, because everybody should know the advanced mathematics basics for signal information processing if you want to pursue with electrical engineering or information technology. In the second semester and third semester, students specializes in an area of selected optional modules from the above mentioned field. So these are the second and third semester will be your elective subjects, which we're gonna choose with automation system, information and communication technology, or power and engineering. These are the three research areas that they have issued for this particular course, electrical engineering and information technology. After getting an admission, you have to choose any one of the specialization which you're gonna do. Usually it is automation system, information communication technology, or power and energy, whichever you guys like it. So these are the course details that they usually straightforward. So usually first semester you will do all core semester, all three people who are studying in any of the specialization. Then in second and third semester you will dive down into the specialization you have chose, then do the subjects of that. Then in addition to theory, most optional courses include laboratory, where you will also study the practical skills and they are taught. Then student will receive a training in the area of mechatronics, automation system, electromagnetic compatibility, power electronics, image processing, and information technology, as well as equipped laboratories. These are the courses that they have mentioned, which are like famous or most of the people do, but these courses will drastically change with the people who are choosing their specialization. So please make sure that you choose your specialization according to your strength areas, and also which area you want to pursue and which area you want to work in the future. That's the reason they have given 3 specialization for you guys to choose. Then at the 4th semester, it's straightforward. You have to do your master thesis. Then compulsory modules will comprise of 40 credit points. So everybody has to do this 40 credit points irrespective of your specialization. Then elective modules will comprise of 50 points, and the final master thesis is 30 points. So altogether will comes up to 120 credit points, which will be for 2 years, 30 credit points every semester. Then you can click on cost and fundings. As we talk, there is no tuition fees for this particular course at college, which is none, but you will have your semester contribution of 277 euros. In this 277 euros, you will have your student ticket and also Deutschland semester ticket, where you can run around whole Germany as of now. But once Deutschland ticket is cancelled, then you will only get the ticket for NRW or Magdeburg, where you can freely roam around. Then cost of living, they have estimated as a minimum 934 per month for a student who is living in Magdeburg, but this doesn't compare with us because we have anyway a specific amount of block token. We have to block it before we get a university visa, or which is nothing but student visa. So this doesn't match up, because some people will usually live in 700, 800. Some people will also have their expenditure up to 1200, but this is the cost of living on an average basis that they have mentioned. That's the reason anyway, irrespective of this number, you will be blocking 1100 every month, I guess, for 1 year, which is for your block token. Then funding opportunity within the university, there is an opportunity where you can get also scholarship for your university and your course. Then the main thing would be requirement and registration, which we usually, so the admission program requires a qualification in BSc degree in electrical engineering, information technology, or any related fields. So this related fields would be electrical engineering, electronics and communication, information technology, computer science, and other things. Usually these all people who have done closely related field, like say example telecommunication, could also help, and these people can also apply. And for additional information, we can also check for general requirements that they have mentioned in their particular website, but these general requirements we will just go through when we are applying. But as of now, it's just straightforward. You need to have a degree of a bachelor, then you need to have a language certificate. Then if you are selecting for German language, then you need to have a German language too. As it is completely in English, then you need to provide a non-native speaker English, then you need to provide a IELTS certificate. So you need to have at least 80 points in TOEFL or IELTS with a band of 6+ and above. So this 6+ and above should be only for Cambridge University. Cambridge certificates are accepted. So please, people who take the IELTS, please consider taking the Cambridge first certificate. So IELTS 6. Usually they have not mentioned the specific modules course, so they need to have an overall 6. So please make sure that you are getting overall grade of 6 and above. Then you are ready to go for this particular college, because there is a straightforward requirement. You need to have just a bachelor degree in this particular field, and also you need to have a language requirement. Then application deadline is 15 July. Then submit the application to directly to their website, and we have to apply via UniAssist. So once we have the application deadline ready, and when the application is open, then we will show you how to apply. And this particular documents has to be sent to Otto from their website. You have to send it to OVGU Magdeburg directly. Then we can click on services. So they have a services like normal, possibility of finding a part-time job inside the university also, like a research assistant, HEV and other things. And also you will also get a work student or any of the research assistant nearby institution like Fraunhofer or Max Planck Institute. And also you will have so many companies around it. You can also get a work student easily. If nothing is working out for you as a technical job, then you will get some of the part-time job which are non-technical. You can also gain some money. Then accommodation would be like, say example, every college will have student and work, which is a cheap accommodation. The rooms will vary from 12 to 35 square meters, where you will be having a monthly range rent of 178 euros to 421 euros. With this, you can easily survive with the blocked account money that you are blocking for 1 year. In the 1 year period, please look for any of the part-time jobs so that you can also leave for next year, so that your whole complete degree will be completed and done with your 12 lakh. Then you can click on about university. About university is just a history of this particular university, when it started, who are the alumni and how they usually train people, what are their strengths and weaknesses. These are the things that I wanted to talk to you about this particular video in this particular time. Requirement analysis of Magdeburg. I think you guys liked it. So this is the detailed requirement analysis video for electrical engineering and information technology. I'll also take some time and also put this information in our Excel sheet. So this is the Excel sheet that we're gonna keep adding on. So here in the 35th university, we will also have University of Magdeburg course, which is electrical engineering. Hope you guys like this video. In the next video, I will also make a video on any of the other application video which are open. Then I will show you how to apply for maybe electrical engineering, University of Siegen or FAU Erlangen, depending on the university openings and which is open for application. See you in next video, where I show you how to apply for any of the courses. Until then, take care. Bye bye.